Caillou, it's time to go to school.
No. I want to go to McDonald's and eat some burgers and foods.
Hey, excuse. What did you say?
I was stupid school for life.
Get your ass to school, you are be grounded for life.
Okay, fine. Man, I can't believe my dad forced me to go to school early. This will be my worst day. Engine.
Okay class. It's time for math. Caillou. What is 1 plus 1?
It's 4.
Wrong. The answer is 2. Go to the detention right now.
No, I'm not. I will punish again.
That hurt so much.
I don't care. You be going to punish you. Now.
Caillou. How dare you punish teachers again? That's it. Mister, come here.
Caillou. How dare you punish teacher again? That's it. Go to detention right now.
No, I'm not. I will punish at once.
Yeah.
Shut up, you stupid. I will punish at once.
Caillou. How dare you punish sodor engines on sodor? That's it. Principal, come here.
Caillou. How dare you punish the teacher and sodor engine on sodor? That's it. Let's go to the detention right now. Welcome to detention. And you can't.
Stop banning what he did. That's so it. I will punish again.
No 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 no. Oh man. I punish with Caillou.
Shut up, you stupid again.
Caillou. Thank you for punish teacher on sodor. We so proud of you. You are the best friends.
You welcome, guys. You are all the best. Oh no. It's the principal on sodor.
Caillou. How dare you punish your teachers on sodor again? That's it. Caillou. You are suspended for 20 weeks. And for you, you will have detention forever. And for you, Caillou. And you for 20 weeks. And for you, go to your engine right now. Caillou. Get out of this school at once.
Man. I can't believe my principal on sodor has suspended me for 20 weeks. This is so not fair. I know. I am going to blow up this school with my crash again. The railway sodor crash will crash in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. I blow up this school by the sodor crash railway for good. Oh no. It's sodor engine on sodor, steam engine on sodor supreme and principal on sodor again.
Only Philippine God. Come on you. How dare you blow up the sodor school with sodor crash railway? That's it. You expelled forever.
We will call your parents about this.
Go home right fucking now.
No 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 stupid song. Get the hell out of here.
another fucking, crappy, retarded stupid kid song. I cannot believe you just blew up the school with your sodor crash railway. That's it. You stupid shit. You are grounded for life.
This means no TV, no movies, video games, no devious diesel is evil, no McDonald's, no devious diesel, no Halloween, you will be Christmas again.
Rosie is mad. You are grounded for life.
Get you fucking us to your Rosie's room right fucking now.